Well, of course, technically, there's nothing wrong to repeat the whole two-character verb or adjective twice, but it just sounds more natural, common, and elegant when we just insert 不 after the first character. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Siki. I'm a native Mandarin Chinese speaker and a Chinese language tutor. I'm here to help you learn Mandarin Chinese in a fun way for free. So I have been away from YouTube for more than a month. The reason is that I have just been super sick and exhausted, and apparently you can see that I have a different setting here because I recently moved to a different apartment. So just with everything going on in life, I was just too tired to film videos. I'm really grateful that finally today I have a day off. I can just sit down and chat with you like I normally do. Today, instead of asking questions in Chinese using the basic sentence structure, which is the statement plus ma structure, we are going to introduce a new way to ask questions in Chinese that would make you sound more like a native speaker. Make sure you watch till the end because I will also give you a bonus tip in terms of using this new sentence structure in the end of this video. So let's get into it. For native Mandarin speakers, we usually ask questions by first using a verb in the positive, then repeat the verb in its negative form. For example, 来不来, come or not come. Instead of saying 他们来吗, we can say 他们来不来, 要不要, want or not want. Instead of saying 你要米饭吗, we can say 你要不要米饭? Do you want rice? 喝不喝? Drink or not drink. Instead of saying 你喝酒吗? We can say 你喝不喝酒? Do you drink alcohol? This is similar to how in English we can ask, do you have money or not? Do you like it or not? Do you want it or not? The only difference is that sometimes it can come across a little impatient or rude, but in Chinese, the structure just sounds way more natural. Besides, what's convenient about this sentence structure is that you can not only use this with verbs, but also with adjectives. For example, 好不好, good or not good. Instead of saying 这个品牌好吗? You can say 这个品牌好不好? Is this brand good? 热不热? Hot or not hot? Instead of saying 今天热吗? You can say 今天热不热? Is today hot? 辣不辣? Spicy or not spicy? Instead of saying 这道菜辣吗? You can say 这道菜辣不辣? Is this dish spicy? So the bonus tip is if we want to use a two-character verb or adjective, for example, 喜欢, like, we usually use the first character of the verb or adjective, namely 喜 plus 不 plus the two-character verb or adjective, namely 喜欢. So instead of saying 你喜欢这件裙子吗? We can say 你喜不喜欢这件裙子? Instead of saying 她漂亮吗? You can say 她漂不漂亮? Is she pretty? Well, of course, technically, there's nothing wrong to repeat the whole two-character verb or adjective twice, but it just sounds more natural, common, and elegant when we just insert 不 after the first character. So that's today's video. We introduced a different way to ask questions in Chinese than just simply using 嘛. For the next video, we are going to discuss a special case of using the above sentence structure we introduced. If you do think this video is helpful, give it a like and subscribe. You can also turn on the notification bell so every time when I upload a new video, you get to learn Mandarin Chinese for free. If you have any questions or ideas of what kind of videos you want to watch, or what kind of topics you're interested in regarding learning Mandarin Chinese, please feel free to comment down below. Hope you all have a wonderful day. I will see you in the next video. Bye!